Want to avoid toll roads on Apple Maps? Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Apple Maps app on your iPhone. Tap on the search bar, then look for your profile icon at the bottom right and tap on it. From here, go into Preferences. Now, look for the option that says Avoid Tolls and toggle it on. Once this is enabled, Apple Maps will automatically choose routes that avoid toll roads whenever possible. Alternatively, you can also set this while navigating. Just enter your destination and tap Directions. Before starting the route, look for Route options and turn on Avoid Tolls. This is useful if you only want to avoid tolls for a specific trip. Keep in mind, avoiding tolls may sometimes make your trip longer, but it can save you money. And that's it. You're now set to travel toll-free using Apple Maps.